A local firefighter wrongly accused of purchasing child pornography.
Words cannot describe how much I have suffered, how much my family has suffered.
Now, startling new evidence in his case could cost the state millions.
Internal documents show the Washington State Patrol knew a child pornography suspect was likely innocent months before he was publicly cleared of any wrongdoing.
The written reprimand says more facts should have been gathered before Todd Chism's home was searched and the firefighter arrested. KXLY4's Jeff Humphrey joins us live at the Spokane County Courthouse, where today Chism filed his lawsuit. Jeff, what type of damages are we talking about?
Well, the lawsuit filed here today doesn't mention a specific dollar amount. However, the claim that preceded it was seeking $20 million. The Chisms are asking for both actual and punitive damages in this botched investigation that they say was reckless and negligent.
Words cannot describe how much I have suffered, how much my family has suffered, and unfortunately will continue to. I am innocent.
Todd Chism was arrested January 2008, accused of buying child pornography on the internet. However, a search of his home and computers turned up no sign of child porn, and 4 months later, the State Patrol admitted Chism had actually been the victim of identity theft.
The most important comment that I think I can start out with is there has been no evidence whatsoever of a download by the Chisms of child pornography.
While the State Patrol waited until May 1st to clear Chism, this written reprimand dated February 19th shows the WSP knew their case was in trouble 10 weeks beforehand. The letter addressed to John Sager, the sergeant in charge of the Chism investigation, criticizes him for not conclusively linking Chism to the computer that downloaded the pornography, and that more facts should have been established before serving the warrants.
Bottom line was that the investigation that the state of Washington did in this situation was negligent, it was indifferent, it was arrogant, and hopefully if we make a big enough impact in this case, it won't happen to somebody else.
That impact comes in the form of a $20 million claim against the State Patrol, alleging troopers from the WSP's Child Exploitation Unit disregarded evidence that Chism was innocent. The Chisms say the case ruined their reputation, hurt their real estate business, and threatened their marriage.
The question is, what is a family's health and welfare worth destroyed as it was by the state of Washington with its indifference?
Today, the Washington State Patrol declined to comment on this lawsuit. However, because of this case, there have been changes in State Patrol policy. Documents show in June the state tightened up the use of IP addresses on computers to identify potential suspects in criminal activity. Reporting live at the courthouse, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY4.